sa palengke. But now, they are prioritizing condominium. Ang condominium, mahal. It's for the middle class. It's not for the poor. Tapos paaalisin nila doon sa lupa yung poor, lalagyan nila ng condominium. Saan nila dadalhin yung poor? That's our experience in Las Piñas. So I'm telling the Secretary what is our experience in Las Piñas.
Yes, Mr. President. Nakikinig mabuti ang Secretary sa inputs ng ating mga colleagues sa bawat locality natin. Kasi lahat yan, pag pinagsama-sama, really give us the national situation sa housing na sinusubukang tugunan ng department. I think what the department is trying to do, Mr. President, good gentlewoman, ay sabay na trabahuin ito. With government funds, prioritizing housing for the
mahihirap,
poor.
nakatira doon sa lupa, natatayuan nila ng condominium. Saan dadalhin yung mahihirap na cannot afford the condominium?
Mr. President, kahit sa condominium, sinasabi nga po ng DSUD na pati ang condominium ay for the poor as long as may interest subsidy. So sinusubukan po ng department
They're telling me
mag-innovate
it's
sa mga
4,000
programa.
a month.
Hindi daw po, Mr. President, but I'll